Will you push the button? If you do, then you become a famous athlete in an EA game, but the person who recites EA Sports it's in the game passes away. So are you pushing the button? You gain immortality, but you're constantly being tested by scientists to try and find out how, and they will never understand why. So are you pushing the button? You can create parallel universes of your design at will, able to travel to them endlessly, and can't die. But for every hour you spend in another universe, you must spend 1 second being brutally tortured. So are you pushing the button? Hit the follow button for a variety of different content daily.